Good morning, class two children. Today is 20th of July 2021. Okay, children, ठीक है बेटा. Today we are going to learn about people of India. इंडिया के लोगों के बारे में आज हम पढ़ेंगे, सीखेंगे और समझेंगे. पीपल ऑफ इंडिया, पीपल मीन्स लोग, इंडिया मीन्स भारत. कंट्री, हमारी जो कंट्री है उसको इंग्लिश में वी से इंडिया एंड इन हिंदी वी से इट भारत. Here it is written, look at the pictures to learn about people from different parts of our country. Read the clues and complete the word puzzle by identifying the places they are from. Here it is written, इन पिक्चर्स को देखो. क्यों देखो? टू लर्न, सीखने के लिए. अबाउट द पीपल, लोगों के बारे में. फ्रॉम डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ आर कंट्री इंडिया, ये सारे लोग जो हैं, ऑल दीज पीपल आर ओनली फ्रॉम आर कंट्री इंडिया, बट दे आर फ्रॉम different parts of it. Okay, they are from different parts. Here it is written again, read the clues and complete the word puzzle by identifying the places they are from. Here the boxes are given. This is the word puzzle and you have to complete it by identifying the places they are from. And the clues means help, a kind of help, hint जिसे हम बोलते हैं, वो दिया हुआ है. And you will solve it out. First, let us understand, let us learn about the people, the different people of our country, India. Here on number 1, this man is saying, I love sarson da saag and makki di roti. I love sarson da saag and makki di roti. And this lady is saying, we speak Punjabi. Beta, these people, this man and this woman, this lady is from, they both are from Punjab. Okay, Punjab is a place, it is located in our country India only. So they are speaking Punjabi and they are Punjabis, they are from Punjab. Number 2, I love Khandvi and Dhokla. This man is saying, I love Khandvi and Dhokla. This lady is saying, this woman is saying, we live in Ahmedabad. We live in Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is there in Gujarat. Okay. And this man loves Khandvi and Dhokla. What is Khandvi and what is Dhokla? These are the dishes which are very famous in Gujarat. Alright. Now number 3. We worship the Brahmaputra river. We worship the Brahmaputra river. This man is saying, we worship the Brahmaputra river. This lady is saying, our tea is very popular. This lady is saying कि हमारी यहाँ की चाय बहुत ही मशहूर है. So these people are from Assam. They are from Assam. Assam is very popular in tea. Okay. Number 4, I enjoy a Wazwan meal. I like to ride on the Shikara boat. This man is saying, I enjoy a Wazwan meal. This is a very popular meal. And this lady is saying, I like to ride on the Shikara boat. It means that these two people are from Kashmir. Okay, शिकारा इज़ अ बोट, एक नाव रहती है, इट इज़ नोन एज शिकारा, और ये एक खाने की बात कर रहे हैं. Here, seek out people from what state speak the Konkani language. This you have to find out, beta, बच्चों. This you have to find it out with the help of your parents कि कोंकणी कौन सी स्टेट में बोली जाती है. ओके. Now next, this man is saying, I love Balushahi sweet. Oh wow, I also love sweet but not Balushahi. I love Balushahi. This woman or lady is saying, I love to visit the forts of Jaisalmer and Jodhpur. They are from Rajasthan. Okay. I love to visit the forts of Jaisalmer and Jodhpur. Balushahi is a sweet मिठाई है and these are the places of Rajasthan. I love to visit the forts of Jaisalmer and Jodhpur. Number 6, we celebrate the Pongal festival. Pongal festival. The Bharatnatyam dance belongs to our state. This man is saying we celebrate the Pongal festival and this lady is saying the Bharatnatyam dance belongs to our state. They are from Kerala. They are from Kerala. They are from the south direction. From the south they are. Okay, they are from the south area. And the south area lies in India. Okay. Here are the boxes given. These are the word puzzle. This you have to complete it. Number 1. Number 1 was Punjab. Okay, they are from Punjab, so we will write P-U-N is already given, J-A is already given, and then B, Punjab. Okay, now number 2. Number 2 is written over here. Number 2 is Gujarat. These people are from Gujarat, so we will write G. U is already given, J R A and T. Gujarat. Okay, Gujarat. Here number 3, we worship Brahmaputra. Number 3 is your Assam. A S is already given, A and M, Assam. I think Gujarat, Gujarat is correct. So please check it out and correct it. Gujarat. As I have written from the pen, I am using the pen, so I am not able to rub it out, but you can rub it out beta if you use pencil only. Gujarat, Gujarat. Okay children, in place of R you will write A and then R again. Just change their places. I'm very sorry I used pen. I would have used pencil, but the correct spelling Gujarat. Gujarat. Okay. Now, fourth point, they are from Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, they are from Jammu and Kashmir. So, J I have already written, A is written. Already it is printed. I will write M again, Jammu, then A, and then D, then KASHMI and R. Good. Now the fifth one. They are from Rajasthan. That's why what I told you, here it is A and here it is R. Okay, then it will become Rajasthan, Rajasthan, Rajasthan. Then these people are from Tamil Nadu. They are from Tamil Nadu, from the south. They are from Tamil Nadu, and I am going to write Tamil Nadu over here. I am going to complete this puzzle. TAMILNADU. Tamil Nadu. Is it clear? So this is complete. This is now complete and I have corrected the mistake also. The spelling of Gujarat, again I am telling you, Gujarat, Gujarat. Is it clear? And these people are from Tamil Nadu. Now this is all for today, children. Thank you so much, children. Have a great day.